So I've been at Microsoft for just over 15 years, and I've been part of the Dynamics leadership throughout that time. I'm the CTO for all of our ERP applications, so 365, finance and operations, as well as Business Central. And right now I'm actually running the Business Central engineering team. Yeah, so I think the Microsoft strategy starts with our mission to empower every person and organization on the planet to achieve more. For Dynamics, that centers on organizations. And really what they're all asking us is, say, how can I use modern digital technology in order to make my organization more effective, better connect with my customers, better empower my employees, optimize everything, all my business processes, and in fact transform my products. And so Dynamics Business Central is right at the center of that. Retail and hospitality are absolutely a place where digital transformation is essential. Their customers are increasingly, they are used to the digital experiences they've had with shopping online, and they expect when they come to a retail store or when they come to a hospitality institution, a restaurant, or a hotel, they expect to be recognized, their preferences known, and they expect to kind of get what they need quickly and easily. And for us, one of the key things with Business Central is what our ISVs are able to do with that, and the fact that we have an ISV like LS Retail that builds a great solution for retail and hospitality, I think, makes it a great fit. So one of the big things that we've done with moving from Nav to Business Central is the speed of innovation has picked up. So we're releasing every 6 months, and our customers want to stay current with that. And we obviously want that as well. So we've developed new ways for our ISVs to do their work. Fundamentally it's a feature called extensions, so that they're no longer modifying our code, but they're actually building their logic in a separated way, and we're providing all the tools for them to manage that in a modern cloud way. So our hope is, and what we expect, is that our ISVs will be able to be much more productive, because it's a simpler way to work, and they will no longer have to spend time worrying about customers on old releases and fixing things on old releases and upgrading. So I think it's going to make them much more productive. Super happy to get here and realize that last week, not only did we ship our April release, but LS Retail lit up its first cloud country for LS Central. So we're very happy about that as well. We're providing a lot of training, and we're doing a lot of technical sessions on kind of how the service works with Business Central and how partners can manage their customers. And I would just urge those partners to stay connected to that information. There's a number of really good sites, like our Business Apps Release Notes sites, where we share information and make that available in a broad way. I do think getting used to the new model of software coming out every 6 months and the new expectation that we want people to stay current, it's important for people to start to think that way. I think the other thing is that increasingly with the Business Central solution, we've got other really amazing new capabilities from Microsoft that they can also use and learn. And so things like Power Apps, Power BI, and Flow, those products really need to be things that our partners are good with as well. So I would ask them to learn about those, and I think it'll create some really cool new opportunities for them as well. The business applications that we need to build today and for our customers today and for the future, they're different than what people used to do before. Before, all we had to do was sort of record transactions and run reports. Now we need to be able to take the business data, connect it with all kinds of other data, apply intelligence to that, so that we can actually surface insights that can put them in command of their business. To do that, it's not just which business application and which features you have, but you need a cloud platform, you need a data platform, you need a real machine learning platform. We're doing some very cool things with mixed reality on top of all these things. And one of the things that we think is special about Microsoft is we have Dynamics 365, sure, and they're great applications, and we have a great ecosystem around it, but we also have Office 365 where business workers do their productivity work, and we have the Azure Cloud Platform, and those three clouds are the thing that gives us all the pieces you need to build these modern solutions. And we just don't think anybody else is making that kind of investment. The collaboration has always been great. I think we're already seeing, I've spent time with Magnus on a couple of occasions, and he's highlighted some things that we think we can coordinate better in our sales work and going to market together, and I think we're already starting to see that happening. The big thing for me is in the cloud, we're also digitally transformed, and we get data out of our software and how it's running, and we get data and we share data with our ISVs on how their solutions are running. So we will naturally be closer together and closer together with our customers, and I think that ability to sort of know what's going on with the customers that are installed and with the ones that are implementing every day and every hour is a whole new way for us to work together.